Welcome to today's demonstration creating a simple circuit using a potentiometer. In this session, we'll not only build a circuit step by step but also observe how adjusting the potentiometer affects the flow of current and voltage. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the components we'll be using for this analog circuit. We have a potentiometer which allows us to control resistance manually. A power source, in this case a 12 voltage DC supply to provide the necessary voltage, an LED to visualize the current flow, a resistor to limit the current and protect the LED, and of course some connecting wires to link all components together. Let's now move on to assembling the circuit. First, start by placing the resistor into the breadboard. Next, take the potentiometer and connect terminal A, also known as the input terminal, to one end of the resistor. Now, let's work with the LED. Connect its positive leg, the longer one, to terminal B of the potentiometer. Then, attach the negative leg of the LED to terminal C of the potentiometer. Finally, complete the circuit by connecting the positive wire from the 12-volt DC power supply to the free end of the resistor. Connect the negative wire from the power supply to the ground, forming a closed-loop circuit. Now, let's test our setup. As we rotate the potentiometer, observe how the LED's brightness changes smoothly. This occurs because the potentiometer adjusts the resistance in the circuit, controlling the amount of current flowing through the LED. The resistor placed at the beginning of the circuit acts as a safeguard, limiting the maximum current to prevent the LED from overheating or burning out. This combination of components allows for precise, gradual control of brightness, demonstrating how resistance directly affects current in an analog circuit. Let's now gather the voltage and current measurement using an analog multimeter. Set the multimeter to the appropriate DC voltage range. Without disconnecting anything, place the positive probe of the multimeter on one side of the resistor and the negative probe on the other side. Gently rotate the potentiometer knob to its maximum setting and record the voltage reading. Now, turn the potentiometer to its minimum setting and record the voltage, measuring current through the resistor. Switch the multimeter to the DC current range. First, disconnect the positive wire from the 12 volts DC supply. Connect the positive probe of the multimeter to the disconnected positive wire. Then, place the negative probe of the multimeter on the side of the resistor where the positive wire was originally connected. Rotate the potentiometer to its maximum and record the current reading. Finally, turn the potentiometer to its minimum and record the current. Thank you for watching, and we hope this demonstration helps you in your journey through analog circuit. See you in the next session.